In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no sound in Google Chrome. So if you are facing any problem to hear any video or music or sound on your Chrome, so to need a setting, so open Chrome browser, then these three dots, then settings. And here click on privacy and security. Click on site settings. Scroll down and click on additional content settings. You will see icon for sound. Click here and you need to slide it to on position. Allow sites to play sound and it's recommended. So just you need to slide it to on position. If you see this gray color, so turn to on position. That's it. Work on. Now you can hear and listen anything on your Chrome browser. That's it. Thanks for watching.